This is your base. Freeze into cubes. That's your meal prep done. 3 sour soup cubes. 200 grams of water. Bring it into a boil. Enoki mushrooms. Lettuce on top. Beef goes in fast. 30 seconds. Then the base goes in with red chili, green chili. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this soup base from scratch. Let's go through what you need. Pumpkin and carrot. These are not here for flavor. They are here purely for color. Cut a pumpkin and carrot into slices. Add pumpkin and carrot to boiling water and cook for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, soft, cooked all the way through. Into the blender they go. Look at that texture. One important here, do not add too much water. This soup gets its flavor from 4 ingredients, but these 2 are the key. Pickled chilies and yellow lantern chili sauce. These are pickled chilies. This is where the sour comes from. They have a fermented, tangy heat that you cannot replicate with anything else. Both the pickled chilies and yellow lantern sauce. You can find these at T&T. If you're not in Canada, check your local Asian grocery store. Start with ginger and garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. You will know when it's ready. The smell hits you before you even look at the pan. Whole kitchen fills up. Now, pickle chilies in. Yellow lantern cheese sauce on the top, but only for 1 minute. Set a timer if you need to. Yellow lantern chili sauce. This one is spicy. It's the reason the soup turns golden instead of red. Yellow color, the fresh heat. It all comes from this sauce. If you cannot handle spice, reduce it. But don't skip it. This is non-negotiable. Look at that color. That's the golden. Add the pumpkin and carrot puree. Stir everything together. Watch what happens. Yellow meets orange, and it becomes this rich, deep golden color. That's the final color of your soup base. That's what it looks like in a restaurant. Turn off the heat. Now let's season it. Salt, chicken powder, vinegar. Mix them well. Why do we need add vinegar after turning off the heat? Because heat destroys acidity. If you add vinegar to a hot pan, the sourness evaporates. After heat, the flavor stays. Let me have a taste. Tangy, spicy, a little rich. That's exactly where it should be. If you want more sour, add a little more vinegar now. If you want more heat, it's already there. Trust the yellow lantern sauce. Take it out, let it cool down completely. Then put it into ice cube trays, into the freezer. This is what I've made yesterday. These last 1 to 2 months. Now I'm going to show you what 5 minutes actually looks like. Time starts now. Enoki mushrooms at the bottom of a bowl. Then put shredded lettuce on top. This is your vegetable base. Beef slices into the boiling water. Blanch them first in plain boiling water. Just a quick dip. They don't need to be fully cooked yet. Blanching removes the odor from the raw beef. Don't skip this. It makes a difference. In a separate small pot, 3 sour soup cubes, 200 grams of water. Bring it into a boil. Watch the color bloom into the water. 3 cubes. That's 1 serving. Pour the golden soup over everything. Let it sit for 30 seconds. The heat finishes the beef and wilts the vegetables. Garnish with red chili and green chili. That's the whole system. One batch of soup base, 2 months of 5 minute meals. And it tastes like you spent an hour on it. This is kind of cooking that actually makes your life easier. First thing you get, the sour, right at the front. Clean, bright, sharp. Then the heat creeps in, not aggressive, just warm. And underneath all of that, rich, full-bodied broth. And the beef. It's tender. It soaked up the soup while it was sitting. Every bite has a broth built into it. The mushrooms soak up even more than the beef. They are like little sponges for the soup. This is why I always keep these cubes in the freezer. 5 minutes every single time. If you made this, drop a comment and tell me how it turned out. And if you want to see the else I make with this base, subscribe. There is more to come.